Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best quality jack stands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Big Red T43202 Jackstand. In comparison to most other Jackstand brands, this is highly popular since it makes highly practical models, including the Jackstand pair stated in this listicle. This Jackstand comes at the first position of this listicle, as this can be a viable option if you want a pair of Jackstands for certain usage. Because it also charges a premium for the same, the given weight capacity of 3 tons is to be expected from this Jackstand. Despite being made out of forged steel, these jacks are fairly lightweight. Another great thing about this Jackstand is that its multiple position ratchet bar can be a handy way to go from 11.25 inch to 16.75 inch in terms of height via its sawtooth design. To ensure that this Jackstand is safe to use, it has offered an ASME safety certification with this Jackstand as well. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amazon Basics Steel Jackstand. It is Amazon's own brand, which makes all sorts of power tools as well as other products that are generally quite affordable, including its Jackstand present here. This Jackstand is the cheapest option stated here, which makes it the perfect choice for all those of you who are on a tight budget. Although, being an entry-level model, it only has a weight capacity of 2 tons, which may not be the best for heavy-duty usage. Fortunately, you still get a high-quality steel construction with this Jackstand. Even at its given price tag, you get 2 of these Jackstands included in the box, which is quite great for most. And just like more expensive options, this Jackstand also has a height range of 11.25 inch to 16.75 inch. In fact, you also get an ASME POSE safety restriction. Number 3. Our third best pick is ProLift Double Pin Jackstand. This brand makes all kinds of jacks and lifting equipment that can be a great option for using in your garage or car workshop, for easily lifting heavy cars without paying a premium for the same. This Jackstand comes at the third position of this list since it is a great value for money option for most. Even for the given price, you get a pretty decent weight capacity of 3 tons with it. This is possible thanks to its steel construction and cast iron ratchet bar, which are ideal for heavy-duty usage. Because you get a double lock mechanism and a smooth height adjustment mechanism, this Jackstand can be adjusted between 12 inches to 16.5 inches in terms of its height. You will be glad to know that this Jackstand also includes ANSI and PALD standard safety certification, which is quite great. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Powerbuilt Hydraulic Bottle Jack and Jackstand. This is another highly popular and reputable brand of car workshop accessories, including its heavy-duty Jackstand, which is excellent for industrial usage for various reasons. This Unijack Jackstand comes at the 4th position of this article because it is the best option if you want an excellent height range. Talking about its weight capacity, it is rated at 3 capacity, which is on par with other Jackstands that offer much lower maximum height ratings. This is possible due to the fact that it combines a Jackstand and a hydraulic bottle jack within a single unit. As for its height range, it is rated from 11 inch to 21 inch, which is more than enough for most users. You also get a safety bar on the side that will ensure that the Jackstand stays locked at whatever height you wish to use. even though you get an excellent metal construction with this jack stand. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Sunex 1210 Jackstand. Despite being one of the higher brands of jack stands out there, its offerings can be a great option for many, especially if you wish to get one for heavy-duty usage. This jack stand is one of the best options out there when it comes to lifting large vehicles, which is primarily possible thanks to the fact that it has 2 of them included in the box. Not only that, but you get a very high weight capacity of 10 tons with each of them, which is made possible with a steel leg base and a heavy scheduled pipe for excellent strength. Unlike what you would expect from such a heavy-duty jack stand, its height range is also quite decent, which is given at 11 inch to 17.3 inch. To ensure that you can easily use it with vehicles, it uses a handy large saddle with locating lugs. Used in pairs for supporting trucks, trailers, and equipment in fleet garages, agricultural, industrial, and construction environments. For leg steel base and support tube made of heavy scheduled pipe for added strength and stability. Multiple hole locations in the support tube make pin facilitated height adjustment quick and easy. Height adjustment pin is attached to the stand to prevent loss. Large saddle with locating lug support and position vehicle frame. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.